Pag may objection, huwag ka agad sumagot. Minsan, kailangan mo lang tumahimik para maklose ang sale. Karamihan sa mga sellers nagre-react agad, pero ang mga top sellers nagpo-pause with purpose. When a client says, "Hindi ko sure, ayoko muna, pag-isipan ko pa," your instinct is to defend. Pero the best closers don't rush. They pause for 2 to 3 seconds to let the client hear their own objection. And guess what? In that silence, clients often realize, hindi naman solid yung objection, or kailangan lang nila ng konting clarity, or they're saying no dahil nagulat lang. Then you calmly ask, "Ma'am, ano po yung part na gusto nyong i-clarify?" Or, "Sir, curious lang, ano po yung nag-hold back sa inyo?" By pausing before replying, you remove pressure. Show confidence. Make them open up. Discover the real objection. Ito isang scenario. Sabi ng client, "Pag-isipan ko muna." You pause and nod slowly and say, "Totally understand, ma'am. Which part po ang gusto nyong pag-isipan ng mas mabuti?" That one question can unlock the truth. And once you know the truth, that's when you can close with confidence.